All righty. Woo! Man, this live streaming new platform I'm using is pretty cool. And I forgot I had an echo going. I'm like, what was that other voice coming from? Is it coming from outside? But here we go. Okay, so I'm trying to make this again live, be a little bit more professional, more cooler, because excuse me, I've been excited to go live like this tonight. So, because I'm, adding more things. Last night I went live on here, and so I added a few more creative things on here. So I've got an animated ticker at the top there. I have it set for 30 minutes, I think. So whenever the National Service in Tulsa issues something, it should hopefully automatically update on there. So hopefully that works. So hope you guys like this new format that I'm trying out. I'm nervous about Instagram because the system before I used this, I'm able to. Hey, Auntie, I didn't realize you were on here. Doing all right? Got snow? Yes, ma'am. We got snow on the way. Yes, ma'am. Not yet. We don't have snow yet, but we will within the next couple hours. But I'll break that down for you. But anywho, so yeah. Anyway, I was saying to my Instagram, I before I found this new platform or got reminded of this new platform, I was able to go Instagram Live as well with a different format. And so I'm nervous to try out Instagram on like during maybe when we have another type of weather event, I'll try Instagram. Cool, thank you. Yeah, thank you. I'm gonna try Instagram out eventually, but as of now, I'm keeping. I got Kick that's new. I got Twitch that's new, and now I finally go live on Twitter or X. I got a subscription now, so I'm able to go multi-stream. So welcome those that are joining. So enough of the little, side talk there. Let's get into the real deal, shall we? So let me share this. Ooh, cool, huh? There we go. Okay, so I forgot one thing. There we go. Okay, so get that up and running. Okay, so here we go. I know there's so much going on, so just bear with me here. Hopefully you guys can see this. Again, what's so cool about this is you can just adjust as needed, even when you're live streaming. So if you can't see the screen or make the window bigger or move the creative stuff around, I can at any given time, which is nice. So anywho, let's get on the show. So right now the air. Oh well, I forgot to do all this. There we go. Okay, so the air temperature right now is already below freezing. Basically, most of Oklahoma, except for really far southeastern Oklahoma and southern Oklahoma, um, are just above freezing, but everybody else is below freezing. So for Tulsa area, we're sitting in the low to mid 20s, so that's already below freezing. So that is already check marked. So whatever precipitation we get, that's check marked. It's going to be wintry, right? So, excuse me. Now let's look at the excuse me. Let's look at the radar. So can you guys see my radar? Let me see. Looking at my phone here. Of course, there's a delay. There we go. Okay, so you get, well, I should make that full screen. I think that'll be better. There we go. Okay, so full screen of that. So here's the radar. So Oklahoma City is dealing with some wintry mix now. Norman, especially as well. Elk City looks like, as far west Oklahoma is concerned, looks like it's already starting to be some snow there, or wintry mix. Sorry, I'm gonna keep looking at my phone here for any updates or comments I missing, or am missing. Okay, so and then Pauls Valley, Ada looks like it's getting some of that wintry mix. It looks to be like it's looking like it's actually starting as sleet. That's what it's looking like, and so I gotta get used to like how to, because sometimes radar scope or using this type of product, it gets confusing on the temperature. So it might be all snow, even though it says sleet. But to be honest, I'm going with sleet, I guess. So I can't say for sure if it's sleeting out there. But according to this model, it might be, it may not be. I'm not there, so I can't tell. So that's what that. But no matter what, Oklahoma City has already started with the show with the wintry precip is basically the whole summary. So for Tulsa, you can see I forgot to load this up as well. Let me do this real quick. There we go. Thanks for the reminder, brain. So for Tulsa, we're clear as of now. Move this up. Okay. And so, but that'll change. And let me break that down for you guys here. Let's go to here. Okay, so let's look at the latest her model. We're gonna look at the latest hour by hour model here to see what. This is my first time seeing these. Well, this particular hour model, the first one, the first full one with me here. So this is a look at the predictor of the precipitation type. Okay, so we already got some wintry precip happening, right? So look by about 2 more hours at about 8 o'clock, Oklahoma City should be all snow. We'll see. Can't say for sure, but we'll see. Okay, but everybody, this radar forecast model predicts everybody should transition to snow. Not the whole Oklahoma, but Oklahoma City should finally transition to snow by 9 o'clock, and then Tulsa's still dry, but as we go to 10 o'clock, it'll fill in. And by the way, look at this is the time frame here, so that's what I like about using this particular platform is it gives you the time. So pay attention to that. Whatever weather forecast model I show you in the future forecast models. Okay, this is the area to look out for the timing. Okay, in case you're like, what time? That's what time to look at. Okay, so 10 p.m. for the Tulsa area. Can expect some possible snow, and then guess what? It does not go away. It still continues all night. Midnight, here we are. Moderate to heavy snow at times. 1 a.m. still snowing. 5 a.m. still snowing. Alrighty, still snowing by 9 a.m. 10 a.m. still snowing. At 11 a.m. we got some light snow showers happening. Okay. Now I'm going to show you the 18Z that came out around 1 or 2 this afternoon. And this will give you the idea. This is going to be a two round event. Okay, we have one coming tonight into tomorrow morning. We have a break, and what I'm saying now, you guys will see literally just a few seconds. The next thing I'm going to show you here is the timing. Is why I'm going to be breaking it down. Okay, so it's going to be from tonight into early tomorrow morning, and then again tomorrow night into midnight into Sunday morning until daybreak Sunday. So we have 2 rounds coming, so it's gonna be a lot, but I'll break that down for you, okay? So here we go. Ignore, well, no, I won't say ignore. Don't ignore anything. So here's that first round coming in, okay? And we get a break. This particular model is showing we get a break in the snow afternoon hours, okay? But as we go into 5 and 6 o'clock hour tomorrow evening, that's when it moves back in, okay? So moderate to heavy snow at times. Here we go again with the second show coming on in. Okay, moderate to heavy snow even at midnight Sunday morning. Okay, still got that snow coming on in. Stuff like that. And I have a person. See, that's what I like about this too. You can see how many people watch. This is a new cool. This is a cool new tool or refresher. So yeah, okay, wow, I'm getting viewers already. Thank you. And yes, as I explained last night, you're gonna hear my notifications go off all the time. It's my phone. Anyway, it's just me, my preferences. But anyway, all right, continues. But I appreciate whatever platform you're on. Hopefully TikTok will be shortly. I can figure that how to get that going. I made a new weather. I know. So that's another thing. If you don't know about me, I do weather updates and stuff. I just get talking about other random things just randomly. So like this, I'm talking about social media. So I just got distracted looking at how many people's on. But if you're on different platforms, I appreciate you guys joining on in, especially new platforms like Twitch is new, Kick is new. So I appreciate you guys, whatever platform you're on. That's my goal. And, if you're a streamer, I'm sure, you're on the same streaming page or idea as what I'm about to say. But, it's important to get the word out, right? So especially weather, because weather is the most important thing of everything else probably. So I try my best to reach as many people as I can. Again, Instagram, I'm kind of pondering off of that for using this new streaming service. So we'll see. Eventually, hopefully, I'll figure out how to get Instagram on here as well. As of that, I do Instagram by itself, and then I just do everything else same. So I appreciate you guys, whatever platform you're on. But anyway, commercial break again. So here we are, back to the real deal here. So 5 a.m., 6 a.m., still snowing. in the Tulsa area Sunday morning. Look at that. It won't end. It doesn't look. It's still snowing Sunday morning, 10 a.m. It's still coming down. It won't taper off probably until around, I would say, 12 or 1 o'clock, maybe 2 at the latest. Get a little snow flurries left over. Probably, okay? So let's look at that. Now, excuse me, let's look at the snow predictions. So this is another look at snow predictions. Looks like this particular model is showing at about close to 9 inches of snow near the Tulsa area. Now, this is the thing too. We may have heavy bands set up enough to have at least close to about 15 to 16, maybe 17 inches or more, possibly more than that, if not, in the southeastern Oklahoma. But for Tulsa, we could see up to close to 9 inches. But a lot of things to consideration, guys, with amounts, okay? It might not be locked in, okay? The event's happening now. I mean, the event is incurring now, like it's happening now. But just remember that, like, throughout this event, y'all see like local stations put like what 20. I'm just exaggerating hyperbole, wise now. But what if a news station says there's 30 feet of snow, right? We actually don't know, but it's predictions, right? And that's what meteorologists do. They predict, right? So hopefully this makes sense what I'm saying. But don't take it verbatim, basically, okay? Some areas, there might be specific areas that might get specific amounts, there might be less amounts than there was predicted. There might be more amounts than predicted. We just don't know. And so, what we can do is try to help you guys and inform you guys on where the area might possibly be at, the idea. So, and another thing to consider is even though, there's a hot spot of close to 20 inches of snow in southeastern Oklahoma, that does not mean that, everyone's going to get snow, okay? So that's the bottom line with this type of storm is even if you're not the highest, you're still going to get snow, okay? And if it's funny is I saw a Facebook post and one of my former coworkers I used to work with, said, what if we don't get no snow at all? I'm like, yeah, we are. So people, we're going to get snow, okay? So even if you don't get, what they're saying, at least we get snow, okay? That's what I'm trying to say. So hopefully that's kind of, sum all that up. So all these models I'm showing you, it could be wrong, it could be right, it could be more, it could be less, it could be in different places, it could be at more south, it could be at north with a heavy band. In fact, speaking of that, I'm going to show you another model here, and this is the NAM model here. So see, this one is showing close to about a Sunday around noon already. We're up to, with these two different, this one's showing 7 inches of snow with this particular model, okay? But let me show you also how intense this snow could possibly be. And okay, watching my viewers here. Okay, so Rumble, I gotta fix. I gotta fix my Rumble account. Anyway, just a heads up for me next time. Okay, so anyway, so look how intense. Back all of this up. So that's what I'm saying 10 p.m. because some models are showing 10. So I'm just going to, that's why I'm predicting 10. Last night I said around, what did I say? Around, I think 8 to 9. No, 10. I think I did say 10. I might have said 10. I can't remember what I said last night. But anyway, so 10 to midnight is what my, prediction is for Tulsa area, okay? So as we play this forward, 11 o'clock, still snowing, even by around 10 a.m., still snowing. Okay, then we get some snow showers around 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Might get some hints, some still flurrying here and there 4 p.m., but then it fills way back in western and central Oklahoma, and then just moves right on to Tulsa area as well. Again, 10 p.m., same kind of idea, 10, 11, 12, midnight, going on to early Sunday morning. And then by about 9 a.m., still snowing by 11 a.m. Noon, it's still snowing a little bit. 1 o'clock, still coming down. And it finally taper off as we go into the early evening hours on Sunday. And it finally moves on out. Okay, so hopefully, let me watch. There's probably something. Watch. I might end this stream. Like I should have showed them that, but I'm trying to think. Oh, that's what I was going to show you. So, by the way, look, guys. I forgot. I meant to show you guys this too in my recent lives, but this Oklahoma is not just the only state dealing with this. I'm sure you heard of Texas. If you're in Texas, you're already probably hunkered down on this. But for those of you that are in Texas, you guys are experiencing an ice storm. I probably, okay, or you guys will, if not heard already about that. But Oklahoma is dealing with snow, and I believe Dallas area is dealing with freezing rain / ice probably down there. But just look at how countrywide in the United States this storm is. Look at how expansive this this winter storm warning, this pink here. Look at that. That's a big chunk of everyone. Millions and millions of people under this winter storm warning. Okay, and then we have some that are under a ice storm warning or something like that, and winter weather advisory or winter storm watch. Okay, so this is a um, big chunk of people who are under the gun with this type of weather. Okay, uh, so let's go and I'm gonna show you guys one last thing. I'm gonna show you guys the temperatures, and then I will end this here. So the temperatures. Let's do. I guess we'll do the European model this time. So look at the European model here. So after the snow is said and done, guys, we're gonna be cold no matter what. Okay, I'm sure you haven't heard that already. Okay, I'm starting like the European model. So the European model is saying 7 a.m. We could be dealing. Well, let's back that up. We could be by Sunday night, 11 o'clock. Could be dealing with negative temperatures already. Okay, and then the wind chills are going to probably feel worse too. Okay, but look at how cold it's going to be. Okay, that is just nuts. Okay. So wanted to let you guys know that the cold is also going to be a role within this winter weather storm that's happening. Okay, so we'll go back to here, and here I am again. Yay! Okay. Also, I apologize if I'm buffering here and there. It's just my computer. And so, bottom line again, the summary is snow is going to happen. There's no doubt about it. Okay, it's not. It's coming. Okay, it's coming. It's not going to be like a teaser, like oh we'll get snow, but nothing happens. Okay, yeah, we're going to get snow. The bottom line is that also the snow amounts. I'm going to keep it. Um, the snow amounts. I can't tell. I'm not sure. Just note that some areas might see more or less. Some areas might not get as much. Some might. So there might be some spots that might get a lot. I feel like also what you're seeing down there at the bottom of your screen, the tips. Those are winter weather tips I came up with. So um, just keep that in mind. Make sure you know what it says. Those are tips. Um, Winter storm warning continues, and then the extreme cold warning continues as well. Stuff like that. Also, live wise, I'll probably go live again tonight. Um, let's go with let's see, let's do 11:45. I'll do a live 11:45 tonight, I guess. On the update on Tulsa snow finally, and then I'll probably cut it off then, and I might do another live tomorrow morning. We'll see how that all goes. But hopefully you guys got the general idea on everything. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, I can try to answer them. If not, I'm going to end this here shortly. Yeah. Also, yes, by the way, please download my weather app. In fact, I don't have that, but I can go ahead and try to bring that up. Give me just a second. I don't know. How should I do this? Let's go. Well, it'll be on my. Well, no, it won't. Okay. I don't know. Sorry, guys. Let's see what I'm going to do here. Let me. download this once again. And then hopefully it won't be too much longer. I can share this of what I'm doing here. Download. Give it a second to download. Layers. Let me go ahead and... oh wait, no, I can just do this, huh? Share media. Ah, that's what I'm going to do. Okay. No, that's not what I'm going to do. Yeah, guys, I appreciate you guys joining. I multi-streaming here on different platforms. Why hasn't it started downloading yet? There you go. Okay, now let's try this again. Share media. Open. Let's see what this does. Okay, so maybe. Maybe. That's not what I was wanting. I'm sorry, guys. I should have been already ready for all this. Let me just do it this way. Let me do a media file. Try this again. Go new. So make sure to download my free weather app, guys. It is free to download in the app stores. Okay, will this work? Please tell me it will. Come on. Come on. Okay, so I know you guys can't see me, but that is my weather app. So make sure to download it. Interactive radar, view quick editions. Contact me, watch streams, share photos from the weather, push notifications, and more. So, and this will be on the QR code at the bottom right hand corner of your screen as well. So let's look at that. These are just advertisements as I close this or end this. But again, I do appreciate you guys joining. I know I keep saying that. I'm going to try to work on a few other platforms here. Try to get that all figured out and stuff like that. Find more platforms or add more to it. Appreciate you guys' love and support. And I'll see you guys back here probably around 11:30 or 11:45. Okay? Appreciate you guys. Goodness gracious, my tongue twister's all messed up tonight. All right, appreciate you guys joining, and be careful, be safe, and stay warm. Goodbye now. If I remember how to end this here. Let me do this. And bring that up. And all right, get that going here. All right. Bye now. Thank you guys all.